to write a paper sent to me and क्या नाम इसको भूल जाते हैं राहुल उसको लड़का I am 100% sure he will be all right. He has to also write a paper.
Poet.
हाँ गीत गा दो.
तो नहीं याद है. One poet is there.
गीत तो अच्छा
He has
गाते हो ना?
written some poem on.
Oh, it is day 4 already. Oh, ये भी लेना पड़ेगा. Okay. So today is my last day for this program, and still I am not happy. I want it should continue another 1 month. You are all very good. Teachers are very good. And this Ranjay, who is never available.
Late, sir.
No, not late. He is never available.
So I had a meeting with the Supremo.
Doesn't matter. Supremo is inferior than attending the meetings here. This program has been initiated by you.
Yes.
Even if you have the appointment with the Commander-in-Chief of India, you have to say, no, I am already in very important activities. And I give you example, very live example. I had a meeting with Professor G.S. Sanyal, and I was young like you.
Yes.
And I think many of you, I don't know if you know Professor G.S. Sanyal. He is no more alive. He had been very top person in the field of telecommunication in the world, not only in India. Even outside India, people know him by name G.S. Sanyal. If you say that I want to learn electronic theory, suppose you want to go to Oxford or MIT, you will get the reply. In India, there is a professor, Professor G.S. Sanyal. Nobody can compete with him. If you want to learn electromagnetic theory, just go to Kharagpur and learn from him. Don't come to US or Canada or England and so on. So I had a meeting with Professor G.S. Sanyal. And suddenly one person came and said, sir, director needs you. And you know, within a microsecond he gave the reply. I have meeting with very important person of the world. Tell the director I am not available. Really, this is the answer given by Professor Sanyal to the director. So that time I was a student, and now I am no more a student. I am really topmost person of the world. You should have said director, Professor Prasad is here. I have no time for your meeting. I will attend meeting tomorrow. I am teaching you. Whether he is the director or whatever, you should fill the priority. And this course is organized by you. I am really very tough for this statement. You should be always present for the course, and you have never been present. Okay, this is the message in presence of all the students. This is the lesson. Any responsibility you take, that is the primemost. And even God is not superior to that. Forget about director. Record it and send a message to the director also. He has to also learn it. Okay, so ज़्यादा बोल गए क्या? ज़्यादा बोले. कुछ तो सिखाना चाहिए ना. Anyway, so therefore, and as I said, I am not happy. I want to. This is very nice place. People are very nice, except Ranjan, who is never available. But these two professors.
Arun sir and Deven.
तुमसे पूछे. Learn in your life. You should talk only when you are asked. If you are not asked, never talk. क्या है? दो आदमी बात कर रहे हैं ना. For example, him. He will jump in and say some statement, although he is not supposed to be involved. And this boy, I was addressing to the audience. Topic in advanced technology in 6G. Oh, still 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 hours I have to talk. Are you ready to stay 4 hours, including the lunch break, 2 hours, 6 hours? Are you ready to stay?
Yes.
Anybody say no? How about Bangladesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And are you ready to sit down for the recording? He is a nice gentleman. Okay. So lecture 11, 6G. So this is very important standardization. 6G standardization, global efforts and future roadmap. The 12 is 6G terahertz, spectrum band challenges and opportunities. 13 is about quantum computing, and 14 is about quantum technology. And then right side you will find the chapters from where I have prepared the slides, like chapter 1.5, 11.3 to 11.5, 12.1 to 12.6, 7.3, 5.6, 10.1 to 10.2, almost whole chapter it looks. 15.4 to 15.6. So this is really important topic to understand technology. This is a very interesting diagram, colorful diagram, triangle. So here it shows about 5G and 6G, more or less like comparison, which I have already added in the first lecture itself. But you can see that different way you can show the comparison. So here it is showing three aspects like 1.0 millisecond, and in the case of 6G 0.1 second. Then in the device density 1 per meter square in 5G, 6G 100 per meter square, 100 times better than 5G. Then if you look at the bandwidth, gigabit per second, and 6G is terabit per second. Very interesting diagram. This is a good way to present. You know, instead of writing a lot of things in the slides, just draw one diagram, explain everything. It attracts the audience, and at the same time, beta kaise hai tum ho? You are all right? रसगुल्ला खाओगे? ठीक है, साथ चलेंगे, लंच लेंगे साथ हम लोग. You gave very good talk, and you were not here. There were 3 talks, and 3 were all good. Your, if you don't mind, 2 of you, his was the best. Anybody has a problem? Nega, do you have a problem? Do you have a problem? Gaurav? No problem. I can make this a statement. But all 3 of you write a good paper, and then I will say who was the best. So 1 paper by Neha, 1 paper by you, and 1 paper by him. How many days I should give you time to write a paper? How many days? 30 days. 30 days. How many seconds? I will give you 15 days time from today. Today is what date? 2nd, 17. Maybe I give you 2 days time. 20. Please send the paper to me. I will read the paper, mention your email address, mobile number, WhatsApp number, and then we'll have the telephone meeting individually, and then we'll have the 4 of us together meeting. Paper will be quality of high quality journal paper. We'll submit to IEEE journal. 3 papers. This is the best outcome which you can give to me for your effort. 3 papers to IEEE transaction journal, and then I will decide which transaction will submit. So 1, 2, 3, not together, individual, each of you. 20 अप्रैल महीना है ना, अप्रैल फुल बनाया, वो गाना था अप्रैल फुल बनाया, हमको क्या भूल गया. Anybody remembers अप्रैल फुल बनाया गाना? Nobody remembers. Go to the Google website, you will find this song, very interesting song. अप्रैल फुल बनाया, I think a very old song. I don't remember the hero of the film, but very well-known actor of that time. Perhaps he was the brother of Raj Kapoor in that film. Anyway, 3 papers. Anybody else wants to write paper? I think 1 paper should come from Bangladesh also. Why 3 papers from India only? Okay? So 1 paper from Bangladesh, 4 papers. And then best number is 5. So we should have 1 more paper from the crowd. Who will write the 5th paper? Number 5, number 6, then number 7. Then I think we should have 1 more. 11 will be a good number. Number 8, number 9, number 10. Just 1 more paper. Number 11. Wonderful. So अभी नाम लिखो सब बेटा. याद नहीं रहेगा किसी को, मान लो कोई नहीं पेपर भेजा. 11 papers, and now I will read 3 papers. Each of the staff members who are sitting, each of them has to write a paper. इन लोगों नाम तो याद रहेगा ही, और तुम कोऑर्डिनेटर करोगे, and don't try to get afraid that they are your professors. You are the coordinator, so you are higher than them for this purpose. How many papers?
14.
14 papers. 14 papers will be the great achievement of this workshop. 14 papers, and all will go to IEEE. Deadline is 20 of this month. And if you send 28th, 21st, you will get my comments. 22nd, you will have the teleconference individually. And 25th, we will have the combined teleconference. And I'm an audit professor. So when we have the joint meeting, you have to create a link and send to everybody. There is the link to talk together. And he will attend the meeting. I think you should write a paper also. Okay? So, and when you write a paper, it is your paper, not with the professor. Okay? Professor is listening. He is your professor. Okay. So how many papers?
14, sir.
14 papers. 15. 15 papers. And you know all the people now.
Yes, sir.
And then my mind says, why we differentiate? Why not each of you write a paper? Is it okay? Everybody writes a paper? Everybody writes a paper? अब तुम तीनों बैठे हुए हो, तीनों को अलग अलग लिखना है, ठीक है ना? अचीवमेंट तुम्हारा प्रोफेसर बहुत खुश होगा. He will be very very happy that 3 papers written from you individually. Okay, great. So 1, 2, 3, up to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19. So 20 papers. And then you can approach others who were here if they want to write a paper. Okay, so at least 20 papers. A rule. Are you a professor? In the class, you should never talk. That is the simple philosophy and policy of the teaching class. So as a teacher, you should learn it. Never talk in the classroom. And Ranjay, इतना कुछ सिखाया नहीं तुमको. You know, India is common practice. Class is going on. Very common practice. Only in India. When I talk India, Bangladesh is not excluded. Pakistan is not excluded. We are all one. So don't feel India. I am talking about you also. I have been in Bangladesh, and the whole world with 100 people. And when I was talking, it was surprised. The coordinator himself was talking to other colleagues. तो पूछे आप क्या बात कर रहे हैं? सब सोच रहे हैं आप मेरे को खाना क्या खिलाएंगे? तो उनके explain everything with a diagram, and that creates very good impression. Okay. Introduction. The role of standardization is 6G. Standardization very very important parameter for any technology. I mentioned many times. Anything you develop, it will go to the public and market only when it is standardized. So after development, you have to see that your technology go up and up. It is presented first in your national level, then international level, and finally at the ITU level. आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं? आज तो इससे मुलाकात होगी नहीं, क्योंकि ये आएंगे तो अरुण पर बोलना ध्यान रखना, बच्चे लोगों को भूख लगेगी. So introduction role of standardization, I told you, standardization is very very important issues, and anything we develop must try to see it is standardized in the global market. So 6G, why it is critical? Already briefly I told you, 6G will operate across multiple bands, devices, countries, and applications from space to underwater. Without global coordination, these systems can't interoperate and deploy will be fragmented. So standardization is the must for any new technological development. Goals of 6G standardization. If anything when you standardize, then naturally you must have goal. And with that, you have to move forward. So goal is defined technical parameters, frequency band, performance metrics. But when you want to standardize, this parameter must be defined. Ensure spectrum harmonization and efficient coexistence with other services. Spectrum is so important. Like Government of India has a special department for spectrum, and secretary like officer, then director, joint director, deputy director, and so on. So spectrum is the key parameter for any country. And then once you decide a spectrum, for example, for India, then you have to present to first HC, because it is European standard body, and finally it must be approved by ITU. Just India cannot define itself. Provide security, interoperability, and governance framework for vendors and regulators. Vendors who understand. Everybody understand vendor? Give me example.
Nokia, Siemens, Qualcomm.
They are vendors. Any vendor in India? International vendor in India? Not yet. अब एक कंपनी खोल दी है. Key standardization bodies and global initiative. As I told you, ITU is very important. International Telecommunication Union, radio communication. ITU has different sectors for different activities. So our standardization will be done by Radio Communication Society. Then 3GPP, Third Generation Partnership Project. Is another body. Then IEEE, of course, everybody knows IEEE. Then we have FCC, that is American standardization body. And HC is the European standardization body. And these are the standardization body we have. Everyone tries to make a standard and think that they are the best. Japanese think themselves, American too always think they are the god. And particularly now, Mr. Trump is the President of India. If something is an FCC, he will say it is a final. Nobody should try to develop anything. Just I am telling you. But HC is there, European. FCC is the US. IEEE also headquarters in the US, but it is really global. 3GPP are the standard body. And then ITU is the real standardized body of the globe. All the standards for the global activities, it must be approved by ITU. In this case, ITUR. Major 6G program mentioned here. Next G Alliance, 6G flagship, NTT Docomo, it is Japanese company, Exide European. 6G flagship, you will be surprised that Finland is the first country started the 6G activities. And you can see a small country, much smaller than India, maybe 5 million population or 6 million population. You can see a small country started 6G standardization itself, much before even ITU thought of. So India is such a big country, I think we should think that in future we should have the starting point. European Union, of course, started. Japan, NTT Docomo, all of you know, Vision 2030, 6G architecture, but everybody has decided what they will do, so that there is no competition. So next G Alliance, North America, industrial coordination roadmap building. Then Finland, they decided to have research in use case scenario. European Union, pre-standardization, AI native 6G design. And finally Japan, 3G architecture, terahertz deployment. These are different tasks everybody has taken. Of course, there are much more than what I have mentioned here. Then timeline. Key conference. These are the conferences mentioned here. You can present your thoughts and topic. Of course, we have international conference like ICC, Globecom. You attended ICC and Globecom? Anyone? Ever attended? Attended?
Sir, WCS.
Okay. But ICC, Globecom, that also is a quite important conference. WPMC, that was last year here in India. So there are different places where you can make the presentation and make it approval. So this diagram shows what happened, different timings, and radio frequency spectrum went up to there. Okay. Already I mentioned there are many conferences, all the conferences are not mentioned here. A spectrum bands for IMT, what is available and what is next? So current landscape, no, I will not go much detail, it is mentioned in the slides. Potential spectrum windows, and that is very important to mention, 100 to 115 gigahertz, 100 to 25 to 170 gigahertz, 200 to 250 gigahertz. Actually, one of my PhD students, he was my PhD student, he is the Secretary to Government of India now in a spectrum, and I called him today morning, and he said, sir, all the bands are available in India. So that's not a big problem. And then these spectrum windows are low absorption zones where terahertz can be practically deployed for city use cases. So good to work on these spectrums. Extreme URLLC, ultra reliable low latency communication, all of you are familiar. Applications are remote surgery, autonomous driving, industrial automation, telesurgery, smart factories. Key features: latency 0.1 millisecond, reliability I would like to say 100%. Enabled mission critical operations where even a microseconds of delay or error can have really consequences. Examples are remote robotic surgery, autonomous vehicles, industrial robotics. These are the three terms which I am using always. कितना टाइम खत्म होगा, बच्चा लोगों को होगा, वीक कितना दिन हो सकते हैं? 5 मिनट,
6 minutes.
अच्छा, हमारे साथ लंच से उतने बच्चे भी जाएंगे, ठीक है, हो जाएगा। Enhanced mobile broadband plus, but you are also invited. You have to go home. Prepare dinner for me. लेकिन आप दोपहर में आइएगा ना, आपको इनवाइट किया मैं, और मना करना कर रहे इनका काम है, मेरा काम नहीं। यस बेटा। About applications, extended reality, holographic, immersive gaming, and so on. Key features are peak data rates up to 1 terabit per second. User experience rate is less than local data. This is better, this is less. 1 gigabit per second. Edge intelligence plus AI integration for core content delivery. Examples are holographic meetings, multi-sensor, cloud gaming, and immersive education. Good examples. Massive machine type communication plus point. Why not plus? They are written. Applications is dense sensor deployments, smart agriculture, logistics, small grids, industrial monitoring. Key features are 1 million devices per kilometer square. Ultra low energy per bit, support for billions of devices with minimal signaling overhead and cost. That's very important. Examples are smart grid automation, precision agriculture, logistics, and asset tracking. कितना स्लाइड और खत्म करना हमको है?
अभी सर 5 मिनट में खत्म कर दीजिए, लंच के बाद फिर कर।
लंच के बाद खत्म भी नहीं करें। ओके बॉस। ये 5 मिनट खत्म हो जाएगा। Sustainable IoT and green infrastructure applications are environmental monitoring, energy harvesting devices, smart city, green data centers. Do you understand the green data centers? Anyone who can say about green data centers? Actually, you are ready. Okay.
Data center which PV is close to 1.
Okay.
There are Google data center, their PV value is close to 1.04.
Something like that. Yeah. Correct. So, key features are 10-100 times better energy efficiency. It's quite large. Integration with solar power sensors, low power wide area networks. Example are smart building, automated heating, lighting and water system powered by real-time analytics. Automated heating. We have not started in India automated heating. How about the Prime Minister house? Automated heating or cooling? No.
It's not required.
Cooling?
Cooling will be.
Delhi cooling is required. It may be there. Your house?
Manual. Manual heating, manual.
पंखा चलते हैं.
Yes.
No, but manual cooling I'm talking long before when I was 20 years or 25 years young boy. And Professor Vian Das invited in his house for lunch. It was really warm in Kharagpur. So, good old practice was to sit down on the floor and have lunch or dinner. So two of us were eating and I started sweating. So Mr. Vian Das came and with their hand. And I said, Auntie, please do to uncle. No, इनको तो हम रोज खिलाते ही रहते हैं. तुम आए हो, तुमको हम देखे पसंद नहीं पाए. बेचारे प्रोफेसर वी दास बोले कि ये लड़का को खाना पर क्यों मंगाए? हमको आज तक पंखा नहीं डली है, इस लड़का को पंखा जल रही है. So there is a feeling of son and mother. It is not that she was doing it because she felt I'm like her son. And बेटा को तो examples I told you smart buildings, eco-aware networks, resource location and routing optimized for energy consumption. Then biodiversity monitoring, remote low power sensor for tracking wildlife and climate. Stop here only. Mark करना कहाँ पर stop किया. And then we'll start in the afternoon. And remember, Arun will give you half an hour at home if he comes.
Provided.
Yeah. अब दोनों बच्चे साथ में चलो मेरे साथ.